guys, welcome to my channel. This video today is all about hair, so I hope you will enjoy it. Please do subscribe. It's not so lonely anymore, but it sure would be nice to have a bigger crowd. Okay, yes, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let me know what you think afterwards. Mwah. Enjoy. So I'm gonna go straight into it. Everyone generally has a different way of washing their hair. They have a different routine. So today I'm going to show you mine. And please feel free to comment down below with what your routine looks like and what products you think work for you so that I can try them as well. Because I do experience a lot of dryness with my hair. My hair is literally always dry, which is why I always have wigs on. But again, it's protective hairstyling, so what can you do? Let's get straight into it. Dum da da dum. The big reveal. It's a mess. Okay, it's a mess, I know. So I'm just gonna undo my plaits. I did these before I went to bed last night. My hair has grown so much, you guys. It's actually quite insane because I think it's probably now almost 2 years. Yeah, I'm going for 2 years since I cut my hair. So it has grown quickly and I love it. I love the texture, and I've never thought that I was actually a natural hair girl because I would always relax my hair and I liked it straight. Then I got to Cape Town and I was just so inspired. I decided to do the big chop. And yeah, here we are, 2 years later. Instead of using my Auntie Jackie shampoo and conditioner, I'm going to be using Pantene. So this shampoo I usually use on my wigs. So today I'm gonna have to just use it on my hair to wash my hair because yeah, I don't have anything else at this point. So what I've done right now is I've just rinsed my hair, and so you just want it rinsed a little bit, then you want to apply your shampoo. So after washing out the shampoo, I did that twice. So you put in shampoo, you repeat twice. I don't know how many times you guys actually repeat that step, but I just do it twice, and then I get my hair ready for conditioner. I'm putting in like a good amount of conditioner. I'm also using the Pantene conditioner. So same with the conditioner, you want to make sure you apply it from root to tip and as generously as possible. I'm going to include in this little mix of conditioner my Auntie Jackie conditioner as well. I don't know if you can see it properly, but yeah. So this conditioner is said to deep condition and help you manage your hair, and also it gives you amazing softness. It's also perfect as a restorative and reconstructive conditioning treatment. So I'm gonna apply that generously on my hair. Okay, so you want to leave your conditioner on for a little while. I usually leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes. And then we're just gonna wash it out. Oh my gosh, the shrinkage is so real. It's so bad. Where's my hair gone? Okay, so after you have washed and conditioned your hair, it's now time for the real treatment. This is where the real treatment starts. Okay, so I usually started putting on different oils. So I will use my coconut oil and my grapeseed and avocado oil. The coconut oil is virgin coconut oil from Nirmal. You can get this pretty much anywhere. And with the grapeseed and avocado, this is from Auntie Jackie. This helps to improve your hair's ability to absorb moisture, as well as just making it look nice and moisturized and, you know, alive. Yes. coconut oil is said to be really good for the hairline, so put it on there as well. Okay, so next up I'm going to use my Auntie Jackie products to seal it in and also to keep my hair soft. I'm going to start with the Seal It Up Hydrating Sealing Butter. So this one is said to deliver long-lasting hydration, helps to repair and strengthen damaged hair and ends. So next up, I'm going to use the Auntie Jackie Butter Cream. It's an intensive moisture sealant, and it is said to hydrate hair and protect hair that is dry, also protecting the hair from, because you know we brush, we comb, we protect our style, we put heat on our hair, so this helps to seal in the moisture and prevent dryness. Depending on how long your hair is, you will want to use a diffuser for this portion of the video, but I won't because my hair isn't that long, so I don't need one. So I did not blow dry till my hair was completely dry. It's still a bit damp, and that's fine. So next up I'm going to use my detangling therapy from Auntie Jackie. It's called Not On My Watch. Okay, so I'm going to use a little bit of that on my hair just to detangle a little bit. So right now I'm going to use my Miracle Drops on my hairline. So as I mentioned in my last video, these are said to help your hairline grow out, so they help the hair follicles to grow out, I guess. And I think I'm on, this is, okay, I'm wasting product right now. I think I'm on week 3 now, and I don't think I've seen much of a difference, to be honest, but maybe it's still too early to tell. So you just put that onto your hairline and you massage it in. My friend Rita recommended this product to me, so I'm gonna try it today. It's the Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Heatless Curl Stretch Gel. That is a mouthful. And you need to apply it to damp hair in sections. So I'm gonna need to section my hair for this part. I'm gonna start with the front. It's still so hard to comb through, guys. It is so hard to comb through this hair. This is what it looks like. So I obviously want to give this the best chance to work as possible, so I'm going to plait my hair. So now that my hair is all braided up, I am gonna let this sit in for a little while, and I'll come back later and show you guys what it looks like. I'm so excited. Okay, see you later. I went and did my face. I had to glam myself up, and I laid my edges, as you can see. So I am going to start undoing my hair. Let's hope it turns out great. I'm really rooting for this one. Okay, this really didn't do anything for my hair. I just wasted my time. I'm disappointed. But yeah, but also maybe this is due to the fact that I didn't leave it overnight. So I don't know, but if you guys would try it or recommend any other curling products, I definitely want to try those. I want to get my head curl at least one day or like 1 hour or something. So as you can see, my hair did not curl at all. It just stays coily, it does not curl. So today's experiment was unfortunately but it's okay, we'll try other products. But anyway, I had a lot of fun making this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. So do give me a thumbs up if you like it, and comment down below with whatever you'd like to see me do next. Thanks guys.